Let's be honest, whenever people talk about Nigerian women, it's always one extreme or the other. In today's video, we'll be talking about a level unpopular opinion about Nigerian women. Hi guys, welcome to Able Media. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And to the OGs, welcome back. Let's get right into the video. Let's be honest, whenever people talk about Nigerian women, it's always one extreme or the other. In today's video, we'll be talking about a level unpopular opinion about Nigerian women. Number one, Nigerian women are very independent and they value support. They are the most hardworking women you will ever see. They hustle, they struggle, and they survive. At the same time, they value a man that can provide and support. It is not always about dependence, it's about security and partnership. Number two, they love soft life and they work hard for it. Everybody loves soft life, including the men. But what people don't know is that most times women work behind the scene to have the soft life they desire. Most of the Nigerian women you see living soft life online is not usually funded. They really work hard for it. Number three, Nigerian women can be very expressive, especially emotionally. If they are happy, you will know. If they are unhappy, you will definitely know. Number four, family opinion matters in relationship for Nigerian women. In Nigeria, relationship is really between two people. The opinions of the family and the siblings plays a huge role. Even when a woman feels like, if whatever they say, it doesn't matter, or maybe your man is telling you that don't mind them, I'm the one marrying you. Deep down inside the woman's heart, she really wants the family or the siblings of the guy to be in support of whatever she has going on with the guy. Number five, their resilience. Life in Nigeria is not easy at all. A Nigerian woman has learned how to adapt, survive, and keep going no matter what. Their strength is what people admire a lot, but they don't even talk about it. Number six, they balance tradition and modern life. You see a woman who is educated, independent, and modern, but they still respect culture, traditions, and values. Number seven, Nigerian women invest heavily in their appearance. If you notice, most Nigerian women spend a lot of money for their skincare, makeup, hair, nails, clothing, and the rest of them. And most times they don't do this for men. They do this for self-confidence, while a few of them do it for competition. So when a Nigerian woman asks you for money, it's just because they want to look very beautiful. Number eight, they are very supportive. A Nigerian woman can ride and die with you. Once they are here for you, they are here for you. They will support you when things are going well for you and when they are not going well for you. But once you betray their trust or hurt their feelings, the way they will change it for you, you'll be wondering, are you sure this is this same woman that wants my progress? Because betrayal for Nigerian women is something else. So if you have a woman in your life, a Nigerian woman in your life, and they are very supportive, please do not hurt their feelings. Number nine, Nigerian women do not tolerate disrespect. One thing about Nigerian women is that they will always speak up. Disrespect, embarrassment, or being taken granted by not go well with Nigerian women, they will always try to tell you they don't like it. And when you don't take it so seriously, it's either going to break your relationship or build it. Remember, this is unpopular opinion about Nigerian women. But people are different and they have different opinions. So if you agree with my opinion, do well to drop a comment. And if you have a different opinion, do well to drop your comments also. Let's have a conversation. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and like and share. Cody.